Wakicha Besen yakielekea Mombasa.
Kuma rori cia mbere cia gukua maguta ihoro cabi kiumia kihituku riu anyitite miruhonga-ini ruru ni maugite kuri na mogwati mangionekana uhoro uyu angikorwo ndukurorwo na njira iria yagiriire. Kuringana na kambuni ya Australia African Minerals Institute, thirikari ni yageire kugathika mitaratara ya gutigirira kuri na ugitiri wa kuigana hindi ya ukui wa maguta maya. Akiaria hindi ya giikoro na ndiki ya mohoro kigamoni-ini kia nyitite miruhonga-ini ruru gicigo-ini kia Naivasha, murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino Stephen Kuria augite hari bata kugiriria mogwati maria mangiumira hindi ria yothe maguta maya marakuo ni rori icio.
The emergency response teams, we should have between 800 kilometers to where we are, we should have a position and an area for emergency response teams.
Gukiri uguo Kuria nugite ni marakuruhania ministry ya mahinya o ndume na ruhonge rwa maria maturigiceirie hari kugacirithia mihango eno uge ro nyititwo baru ni Peter Stockman kuma bururi wa Australia.
There is some areas which is waste management in Dokcha, which they don't have actually the policy as is sit for Taro to engage companies in what we call cut waste, which is a waste from oil itself.
International oil companies are aware that they have a corporate responsibility to ensure that they become engaged with both government and communities to ensure that there's going to be a safe working environment and a healthy working environment.
Hindi ya kuruguria rori cia mbere cia ukui wa maguta gicigo-ini gia Turukana, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta augire maguta maya megukorwo mari kiguni kinene ona kuri mabururi mangi ma gitaru kia Afrika. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.